Hi everyone, we're replacing a Ford Focus brake light bulb today. It's 3757A. To do it, we start by removing this cover. It's just a snap cover, a couple of snap tabs. And then we stick our fingers in here. There's two little thumb screws. We unscrew, pull them out. There's another one right here I already pulled out. Pull that thumb screw out, set it to one side. Then come around here, we shake this off, we pull out the lens, quarter turn, and we put in the new bulb. It's an easy push bulb in, quarter turn back on, and then carefully insert the pin, the locator pin, and the two screws back into place. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a little bit to get it on. Then you thumb screw to thumb screws, and that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks.